Welcome back, everybody. In today's episode of Cooking with Kirby, we're gonna be making an easy banana pudding. This is a hands down easy recipe. No need to cook anything, just assemble and put everything together. To make this recipe very easy, we're gonna be getting 2 packs, 5.1 ounces of vanilla pudding, some vanilla wafers, a couple tubs of Cool Whip, about 5 to 6 bananas, and 6 cups of milk. In a mixing bowl, now let's add in our Jello pudding. Now whisk in 6 cups of cold milk. Add in little by little. It'll thicken up on you because we're gonna actually be placing this in the refrigerator and let it sit to chill. Since my first portion of milk was only about 4 cups, I'm gonna need 2 more cups. Now just add in the remainder of your milk. Now we're just gonna whisk for about 2 minutes and it will thicken up on you. And then once it's all mixed up, we're gonna be placing it in the refrigerator. Now recipes like this is really easy, especially during the holidays when you got a lot of stuff going on. You know, desserts, like this can be made the night before and you really don't have to worry about it the day of. Once we have the consistency that we're looking for, we're gonna be placing the pudding mixture into the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's gonna get cold and it's gonna thicken up for us. To plate this, we're gonna be using a 13 by 9 glass dish. You can use an aluminum pan if you're going to a party. Now, if you wanna do a small batch, you can actually get a small cup, and these actually make it nice and pretty. With these cups, you can make a nice presentation and you get individual servings. Now in a pan, lay down some of your pudding. Now take our vanilla wafers and we're going to stack them along our pan. Now you want to leave a little gap because that's where we're going to be placing our banana. Now take our banana and we'll cut slices and fill in the gaps. Be mindful on how big you make your banana slices. Me, I like a little bit thicker cut, that's why I got 6 bananas, but usually this calls for about 5 bananas. Now add in a little bit more pudding. Kind of fill in a little bit. Okay, so now that we have a layer established, we'll add some vanilla wafers and some bananas to our side here. Add in your Cool Whip. You want a little tip for the Cool Whip. You want this at refrigerator temperature, not frozen. You just want a small thin layer of the Cool Whip. Okay, so now that we have 1 tub of Cool Whip in there mixed around, it's okay to mix it with the pudding. Add in another layer of wafers and bananas. Add in another layer of pudding.
To finish off your banana pudding, top it the way you like it and make sure that it's pretty for your family.
Now place your banana pudding in the refrigerator for at least about an hour or so. You want that pudding and everything to set, plus you want it chilled when you serve. Been waiting for a whole hour on this. Cheers, y'all. Just hands down, just an easy, delicious dessert. Creaminess from that banana. You get the little dryness of that vanilla wafer, but it's got a little crunch to it in the middle of it, but it's still kind of soft. Some really, really good stuff. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. That way you can see future videos just like this. I have these recipes. They're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.